Hey everyone, a little something different today. I have a Jackson Rhodes that I've been upgrading. I'm going to be doing a video on it a little bit later. But in the process, I decided to refret the fretboard. And so I pulled all the frets off and bought some tools for doing it. And after hammering them in, I was not happy with the frets. I feel like they could have been down a little bit lower. I mean, they look good, but I'm just nitpicking. So I bought a press from Lowe's. This little press that was about $40, and it was not obviously a fret press. What I ended up doing was I had drilled a hole. The hole is here, and there's a set screw here. I had turned that around, but I had drilled a hole in the bottom of the press bar and put drilled a hole for a set screw, and I bought some little thumb screw set screws, and you could also use a regular quarter 20, but I did that, drilled a hole for this tool, and I had bought this tool on Amazon, and the shaft was longer. I'd cut it shorter so that it would give me room being in the press for the guitar neck. And then it came with various sizes. I'll show those in a second. I had also made these. There's a couple of them, and they're nice and smooth now. I put some wood filler on them, nice and smooth. And that is to hold the guitar neck so that when I'm on this end of the guitar, the neck or the headstock has to hang off the little table I put on this, and that way it gives me something to support the neck when I'm pressing. Now, you don't need them if you're doing this side, but as you can see, well, you can't see it there, but that needs to hang off. So I had made this table. This table is mounted. It's got two screws here and two screws here. I can move the table over to where it's over here, and I can turn the neck or the fretboard around. So basically what I can do is I can do half the frets one way, and then I can turn the table around and do the other half. And it works out pretty good. I spent $40 for the press. Like I said, I had to modify the little tool that goes in it, cut it shorter. I had to drill the hole and drill a set screw hole. But other than that, it works great. The press is mounted on this little table here. I got screws that are permanently sticking up, and then I got these little wing nuts that the press slides down on. I drilled 2 holes into the press to mount the table, and those come up and screw into this. Okay, that was about it for the press. It only cost about 50 to 60 bucks total. I paid 40 bucks for the press, about 12 bucks for those little tools here. These are some radius gauges that I use to know which one I need to use with the fretboard. And I paid a few bucks for these knobs, and that was it. So altogether about 60 bucks. And those are actually the frets that I'm going to be pulling out and removing. Maybe. They still need to be dressed. I started dressing them, and then I said, I don't like it. So you can see, maybe, they don't look too bad. I still obviously have to dress them. They're not leveled or anything. I just started doing the edges. Initially they were ball end, and I do have another set of frets that I can replace these with, but I haven't done anything with them. But anyway, so there you have it. A fret press for about 60 bucks. And all you got to do is go on Amazon and buy that little tool for about 12 bucks. Comes with these little different radius press pieces. And with a little bit of work, a little bit of drilling, and some hacksawing to shorten the shaft on this, you could have yourself a fret press if you wanted one. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.